Hey guys, welcome back to Salt and Light. So in today's video, I'm going to show you the unboxing of a thermal printer. So here we are. This is the logistic label printer. I got this on Amazon. The link is in the description below. It's come in a nice cute box. As you see here, one side is the specification, and right here is the compatibility information here. So this is a label printer, which means you can print your regular documents, and it uses heat to print, which means you don't have to spend on ink. So let's open this big boy and see what's inside. Nice little packaging here. I'm gonna take everything out and then I'm gonna show you what each thing is. That's about everything in here. So here is a device. It's small, really small. If you compare this to your regular printer, they are like tiny. It's pretty good. They've got the switch at the back. It's a nice little white device. Here is the what is this? Okay, I see the USB drive here, and I guess this is for the software. And in here is also a couple of cleaning wipes, and they have a user manual. And there's some installation driver setup guides in here. There's another drive, and here is a fan fold sticker. So this is pretty cool. I really like this because you don't really have to buy fan fold stickers to check it out. So this is pretty cool. And over here we have some power cables, and I think this is a USB connector which connects to your computer. And inside this box we have the adapter. There you go. It's a nice little adapter to connect to your device. So there we are. We have all of our stuff that's inside this little bad boy. That's everything we have inside. I think this is pretty good. It's pretty good, especially the fan fold sticker labels. I really love this. So I'm gonna show you how to set it up and the installation process and how I really like it in another video. But for now, we are all good. This is the device that I purchased, so don't forget to check out the link below, and we have other videos coming out as well, so don't forget to check them out. So thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, hit the like button, and as always, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified when we release new content. So until next time, see ya.